Today I'll be talking about the top university in UK in which international student can apply for it. As I know, many students, they have decided their education destination for UK. So let's get started. Before starting, kindly share, like and subscribe our channel. The first university is University of Warwick, which is established in 1965. They have 220 plus programs in 30 academic departments. The courses like arts, medicine, engineering, management are available there. They also have a satellite campus in Shed, it is one of the tallest building in London and in European Union. Beside that, right now there are 27,278 students are studying in the campus, out of which almost 147 nation represents it, means there are international students from 147 nations. The next university is University of Bristol, which was established in 1876. It has more than 500 courses from undergraduates to PhDs. Right now 25,000 international students are studying in this campus, and the courses which are mostly available in this campus are arts, life science, health science, law, management and many more. Next is the University of Manchester. The University of Manchester is famous for the largest student community in UK with 40,000 students in the campus. The courses available are arts, medicine, engineering, humanities, law and etc. The total number of international students right now studying is 10,000 from 160 countries worldwide. The next university is University College London, established in 1826. The famous courses which are available here are politics, philosophy, economics, management, engineering. Beside that, total number of students right now studying are 41,538, out of which 1,800 students are from different countries in the world, in which 50% students are from Asian continent. So you can make out the opportunity for Indian students are very high. Now I'll be talking about the University of Cambridge. This is one of the second oldest university in English speaking world. It was established in 1902. The total number of students studying right now in the campus are 23,247. Around 3,000 students are from 100 different countries globally. The courses which are available here are business, technology, medicine, engineering, and as you know, Cambridge is particularly famous for the excellence of mathematics. Now the last but not the least, one of the most prestigious university in the world, which is called the University of Oxford. It was established in 1096. The total number of students studying in this university are 24,000, and around 10,900 students are from different countries globally. The courses in University of Oxford are arts and humanities, economics, philosophy, politics. These are the courses available in this university. So there is a scope for international students to take admission. For more details, for latest update, you can contact www.piceeducate.com or you can call us at 800 11 92300. Till then, stay safe.